We are going to discuss the summary of signs found on the examination of the respiratory system. If the person is suffering from the consolidation of the lung, then chest radiograph, this will be the picture of the consolidation in which a particular part of the lung will show consolidations. And if we do the respiratory system examination, then there will be no mediastinal or tracheal shift. The mediastinum and the trachea will be central, and chest wall excursion will be normal or decreased on the affected side. Percussion note will be dull. Breath sounds will be increased or become bronchial at the site of the consolidation, and there may be the crackles at the site of the consolidation, and vocal fremitus or vocal resonance will be increased. So chest wall excursion will be normal or decreased, dull percussion note, increased breath sounds, crackles, and increased vocal fremitus will be there in the case of the consolidation. The next case is the pneumothorax. In the case of the pneumothorax, on the chest radiograph, there will be the collapsed lung in the middle, and there would be the blackened outer part of the lung with no hilar markings. So it would be the pneumothorax. It could be of the two types: simple pneumothorax or normal pneumothorax, tension pneumothorax. There would be no any mediastinal or tracheal shift in the case of the simple pneumothorax, but in the case of the tension pneumothorax, the mediastinum or trachea will be shifted away from the site of the lesion, and the chest wall excursion will be normal or decreased on the affected side. Percussion note will be the hyperresonant. Breath sounds will be decreased. Added sounds, maybe the click may be present occasionally, and the tactile or vocal fremitus or vocal resonance will be decreased. So decreased breath sounds and vocal fremitus. Percussion note hyperresonant. Added sounds, occasionally click may be present, and mediastinal shift may be there or maybe not there in case of the different type of the pneumothorax. Now coming towards the pleural effusion. This will be the picture of on the X-ray of the pleural effusion, in which there will be blunting of the costophrenic and costovertebral angles. This part will be the whitened out, and there would be no any mediastinal shift or tracheal shift, or maybe they may shifted away from the lesion. Chest wall excursion will be decreased on the affected side, and percussion note will be the stony dull. In the case of lobar collapse, this would be the picture on the chest X-ray of the lung. There would be a particular part or lobe of the lung will be collapsed, and in this case mediastinal or trachea shifted towards the affected side because the lesion will exert a pull on the mediastinum or trachea. Chest wall excursion will be decreased. Percussion note will be dull. Breath sounds will be decreased. There will be no added sounds, and tactile or vocal fremitus or vocal resonance will also decreased. And in case of the pleural thickening, there will be a thickened part of the pleura on the chest X-ray. There would be no any mediastinal tracheal shift. Chest wall excursion will be decreased. Percussion note will be dull. Breath sounds will be decreased. No added sounds, and decreased tactile or vocal fremitus will be there. So these were the different pathologies of the lung and their different appearance on the chest X-ray, and different characteristics on the respiratory system examination.